Hi there, welcome to creating home page using customization. Here I would like to tell you how to create one home page using only customization. So I will open my browser, then after that we will discuss in-depth topic. Okay, so come to this browser, and what we need to do is just open our example control panel. Then it will be open like this. Okay, so after opening the example we have to start Apache, then we need to start MySQL. So our server is running. Just close this one. Here in bottom right side you can see exam control panel has been running. So just what we need to do is just type on localhost. There I hosted WordPress. This is our website, whatever we are customizing. Just click on that. Here you can see the output of our website. So this is having only like this is very basic skeleton. We previous section we installed only theme, so now we are going to customizing this home page. Let me see how we can do that. So first what we need to do is we need to know about the anatomy of every WordPress theme homepage, every WordPress theme pages. So here you can see every WordPress theme is divided into every page has been divided into header section and body section, and after that footer section. Okay, so this is the header section and body section and footer section. In customization you can find out only these settings: header settings, header customization settings, body customization settings, footer customization settings. In this header what you will find, only logo. Okay, you will find some navigation. If it is having image or slider, or it is having slider, you can find some sliders and some other social icons. Social icons also be there. Depend upon the theme structure, these social icons, images or sliders will be located. Okay, what we need to do is just we need to find out those settings in header and need to change everything. Whatever you need to change in a header section, you need to find all these things in customization, then you need to modify those things. Then after that in body, you can see in body this section has been divided into two sections. This is nothing but a home page known as landing page. Okay, then after that inner pages. So here we can find out home page is nothing but landing page having only different sections. It couldn't have left side content, right side widgets. But in inner pages, nothing but about page, services page, gallery page, we can find some left side content and right side widget. So here we can change, we have to change some widgets for our inner pages. This is the body section structure. Okay, in footer you can find some sections will be there. Nothing but footer is having some footer widgets is there, and in below footer you will find some copyrights. Okay, so etc functions will be there. So whenever you want to customize your website, what you need to do is you need to find out these three things: header, body and footer sections. Then in that sections you need to find out everything. Whatever you need to do, you need to find out everything. So here our server is ready, started, and our local host also be running. So I would like to log in to our website. Just click on this WP admin and it will ask some login ID, password. I already provided those details, and just click on to login, then you will redirect into dashboard. So just click into left side above corner and select visit site in new tab. There you can see final output. This is the front end website and this is the back end dashboard. Whatever modification you may do, those will be displayed into front page. So here we already discussed about body section. So what we will do here, we will discuss about this section, how to create a landing page using customization only. Here we are using just a customization, we are not using any page builder plugins. So just find out and come to dashboard, they select appearance and click on the customization. Customization is most important to modify every theme in WordPress. After clicking the customization, you will find out the customization options from here. In this left side, so you could find some options, and right side you can find some preview is there. Whenever you may publish, it will be updated into front end page. Just click on this dashboard. So see, this is having header section is there, front page section is there, footer section is there, and some other widgets and menu section is there. And we already discussed about these sections. We discussed about widgets and pages, landing page and inner pages. So everything here you can see. Okay, so come to this section and just click on this front page. It seems to be like this. In front page you can find out slider, front page widgets, home page settings. He's here in home page body. I already discussed about these sections. Okay, so just come into this section and select the front page widgets. Here you can see like this. Absolutely, this theme is having trial version, so we couldn't add more widgets, so we can able to use only 4 widgets only. By using these 4 widgets we can create landing page. Okay, so before creating our website, just watch out the home page. It seems to be like this. Now I would like to create a about page. So that about section has been added into my home page. Okay, so if you want to modify this little about text, here you can modify that one. At left side the optimizer is there. We are using optimizer free WordPress theme. So there, this is the title. Here you can find the heading option is there. If you want to change this one, you can change from here also. About Mohan, just I am giving my name for demo purpose only. Just do like this. About Mohan is there. If I would like to create, or if I would like to assign some other text, what I would like to do is just select on content and click on this edit. You will find out some paragraph. Here you can assign your paragraph, even though you can align and you can create some paragraph and heading tags. All these things will apply into this home page section. This is called as about widget. This widget is having some other more settings also, having title divider. Here you can see title divider is nothing but this is the diamond section is there, and that is called as our home bus. If I selected circle, this diamond will change as circle. This is the home page about section, nothing but widgets. Then I would like to do I would like to add some other widget. So just click on this one. Just I would like to add advanced text field. Just click on this one. Then what is happening is, see, you can see advanced text field has been applied. Here it is having background gray color and font is having some white color. So if you want to modify this font color, then what would you do? What will you do is just you need to apply some contact us like this. Okay, just click on this center alignment, click on heading 1, just save and control. Then what is happening is you can able to see like this. This is advanced text field, so that we are already created 2 widgets into home page. Okay, so then we will add some other stuff known as blocks is nothing but here you can see we can create it is having some demo data is there. In this blocks we can insert or we can modify like this. We can add some image also. Here you can see about our services are having very speedy services. And second blog I would like to do, if you want to insert image by using this image, you can insert image also. And blog one content, here you can find out some content is there. If you want to insert some other content, you can click on this edit content, you can replace this one, so that what is happening is it can easily modified. So speedy services. And second one is 24/7 support, or 24/7 support use. And third option is user friendly services. For demo purpose I am assigning some demo text only. Please do practice, then you will get proper information, proper output. So if you want to do title, here you can assign. If you want to add some image, you can add from here. If you want to add some content by using this block 3 content, you can add this section also. Okay, so what is happening is we inserted 3 more widgets, about and advanced text and some other block section is there. And I would like to utilize fourth free widget also, known as, just to click on that add a widget. There I would like to use blocks only. Just click on that block. Then if you want to use 6 blocks, then you can insert blog also be there. But I would like to add some other section using widgets. Just post. Okay, so see here you can see our works is there. You can find out our works is there, and check out our portfolio. Here you can select the subtitle as a check out our portfolio. So you can change the text also. So here it is having post layouts also is having different types. If you click on that layout 2, then you can see like this. If you click on this layout 4, then you can see like this. Depend upon your basic knowledge, you can assign these blocks. I would like to add this one like layout 2. So see here you can see some post types is there and a number of posts. How many posts would you like to insert, all those sections will be come from here. You can assign those numbers also by assigning here. And even though you can use the title divider and some other post navigation also be there. See, not only by using post, by using pages also you can insert those works or those pages also be available here. You can find out those pages in this post section. See, every post is having categories. By using these categories also we can use this section. So almost we has been completed our landing page having different sections, and even though photo had some other demo widgets also be there. Just I would like to publish this one. Let me have a look how it seems to be. Just refresh this one. So here you can see this is the slider section. It is having only image only. So see, this is the about section is there, contact some other blocks is there, our work also be there, footer is there. We already discussed about this home page topic. It is having landing page, nothing but home page is having only different sections. Here also we can find it is having only different section. This is the landing page. In upcoming classes we will discuss about how to create navigation by using pages and how to create images. All those sections we will discuss in this section only. Keep follow my classes, so you will get and you can design your basic website or business website for your website. You can use this theme for free of cost, and you can develop your website as per your requirement. Thank you.